After spending a year in Sri Lanka, I've discovered the vibrant flavours of its cuisine and its deep connection to the land, history and community. Each dish tells a story, and living amongst locals, attending traditional festivals and sharing meals with families has enriched my appreciation of the culinary art. This immense experience has allowed me not just to learn about the food itself, but about the cultural significance behind each meal. I hope my experience can be passed on to you. Please enjoy. Pol Roti is so easy to make and is a mainstay in Sri Lankan cooking. It's very easy. It's basically a coconut bread. It's only got 4 ingredients, as you can see. So you basically need flour, coconut, salt, and a tiny amount of water. Usually about 4 parts of coconut to the flour. You can use any flour you want. I'm using the wheat flour here. You mix it in and you put a tiny amount of water in so you get a kind of fairly stiff ball. All the hard work is in the kneading of it, which takes about, you want to do this for about 4 or 5 minutes. Then all you do is simply, you just grab a bit of it, you shape it into some sort of disc, you can do it, any size you want or any thickness you want. I mean, I wouldn't do it that thick, to be honest. And then you just put it on a dry skillet or pan, medium heat, 3 or 4 minutes each side, and it's done. It's absolutely delicious. It's really nice to sort of have with some sort of curries and that, kind of scoop up some sauces. Really beautiful. I love it.